That's happening. It's deleting, right? Yes, deleting from the list. Okay, you got it. How to delete from a table record? You are deleting now. This deleting will only happen in Clipboard. Okay, it will not happen in database. Okay, you understood. You got it right. You are not doing any DB operation here. You are not doing any OBJ operation, which is deleting for UI purpose. That's it. But it's in the clipboard. Yeah, it will get deleted from clipboard. Yeah. Okay. Got it. And you can edit also. You can click on a 3. Just click on a 3. It's getting edited. Click or double click. Nothing is happening. Okay, I think that one also you can do. Click on row to edit. Some option will be there. And table layout only. Okay, you have to get familiar. Go through these options. Whatever options are there. Here in operations. You have right. Click row to edit. Always rows editable. Some option will be there. Okay. But you got the understanding it how we are invoking an activity. How we are showing the detail. You can run activity before you can do so many operations in table layout. Okay, it's not like dynamically or table layout. You can do so many operations. The presentation was selected. Only click row to edit. But it didn't get it. It has to be master detail. Go to master detail. No, I think it's inline only but go to presentation. No, these are all like. See you have a display row numbers. Is there a check that one wants? Display row numbers. Yeah, submit and save. See the change. What change you are getting on screen? You are not writing any code. You need to just see the configuration. Okay, how to configure? Click on OK. Click on OK, because you are deleted, right? So that's why, before refreshing, it is asking whether you want to save your work. You are getting a row numbers. Yeah. Understood, right? See again, you got the data, whatever the rows, you have deleted those rows again. You can see, because that change was not happening. Database. Okay, the change only happened in our local clipboard only. Yes. But OBJ browse. The main thing you have to understand today is OBJ browse how we were browsing. Okay. Yeah.